Air rifles are versatile firearms known for their precision and safety, making them an excellent choice for target shooting, pest control, and recreational shooting. But which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 air rifles available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best air rifles. The 5th product on this list is the Umarex Gauntlet. The Umarex is an impressive pre-charged pneumatic firearm, renowned for its power and adaptability across various shooting scenarios. While it's available in multiple calibers, the .22 caliber model stands out, boasting a velocity of 900 feet per second, making it equally adept at precise target shooting and effective hunting. Notably, the Umarex Gauntlet features a capacious magazine, accommodating up to 10 rounds and delivering up to 60 shots per cartridge. This high-capacity magazine ensures extended shooting sessions without the inconvenience of constant reloading. In terms of design, this air rifle sports a rugged matte black finish, enhancing both aesthetics and durability, as it resists scratches and wear, maintaining a lasting appearance. What's especially appealing is the Umarex Gauntlet's stealthy operation courtesy of the battle shroud on the forestock, a boon for hunters who prioritize staying discreet in the field. For those with different tank preferences, the shroud is detachable, underscoring the rifle's versatility. In terms of dimensions, it's a substantial piece weighing around 8.97 pounds and measuring 46 inches in length, providing a robust and commanding presence. Additionally, the Umarex Gauntlet package includes an AO scope and a sling, adding considerable value to the deal. The scope significantly enhances accuracy, rendering it suitable for both target practice and successful hunting missions, while the sling eases outdoor activities by simplifying transportation. Its pros are: it has a high magazine capacity of 10 rounds, it has a durable and stable build, and the battle shroud on the forestock helps reduce noise levels. However, its cons are: the trigger is heavy and somewhat stiff, and at 9.3 pounds, it is a bit less maneuverable than others on this list. The Umarex Gauntlet PCP air rifle is an excellent choice for hunters, target shooters, and experienced airgun enthusiasts who want a solid air rifle with powerful velocity and accuracy. Up next in 4th place is the Beeman Model 1358 PCP underlever. This air rifle boasts impeccable craftsmanship and ergonomic design and outstanding performance, setting it apart from the majority of pre-charged pneumatic air rifles. Its eye-catching multicolored finish adds a stylish touch to its robust construction, blending wood, metal, and polymer to create a rifle that feels both solid and surprisingly lightweight at just 7.28 pounds. As its name implies, this unit features an underlever action that not only enhances the rifle's aesthetics, but also elevates the shooter's control and accuracy. Its ambidextrous design ensures both left and right-handed marksmen can comfortably wield this rifle. Much like the Umarex Gauntlet, it boasts a 10-round capacity, significantly reducing the need for frequent reloading and enhancing the convenience of extended shooting sessions. In terms of size, the Beeman Model 1358 strikes a fine balance between being compact enough for easy maneuverability and long enough to optimize accuracy with each shot. Its pros are: it has excellent precision and accuracy, its ambidextrous design offers a comfortable and well-balanced grip whether you are left or right-handed, and the pre-charged pneumatic power source provides consistent and powerful shots. However, its cons are: each shot requires moving the firearm to reload as if shooting from the bench, and it is a bit louder than other brands, which isn't ideal for vermin control. The Beeman Model 1358 PCP underlever air rifle is a top-tier choice for enthusiasts and shooters seeking a reliable and accurate PCP rifle. Still haven't found an air rifle that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Benjamin Armada. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a novice exploring the world of firearms, the Benjamin Armada offers something for everyone. This PCP-powered .22 caliber airgun boasts speeds of up to 1,000 feet per second, making it a versatile choice for both target shooting and medium-sized game hunting. Unlike the other options on this list, the Armada utilizes a pre-charged pneumatic system, ensuring consistent power delivery and resulting in exceptional accuracy across various shooting activities. What sets the Armada apart is its reversible bolt-action mechanism, catering to both right and left-handed shooters with ease. Furthermore, its modular design enables straightforward customization to suit your preferences, with a rifled barrel enhancing accuracy and a built-in air pressure gauge for monitoring the air reservoir. This rifle promises a quiet and adaptable shooting experience. The magazine, capable of holding 10 rounds, eliminates the hassle of frequent reloading. Additionally, the Armada features a Picatinny rail system for effortlessly mounting optics, while the stock offers high customizability, allowing adjustments to the length of the pull and comb height for an ergonomic and comfortable shooting experience. Though the Armada weighs approximately 12.3 pounds, contributing to its stability and reduced recoil, this weight enhances overall shooting performance rather than hindering it. Its pros are: it comes with a 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. The modular design allows you to tailor the rifle to your preferences, and it has a multi-coated lens for accuracy downrange. However, its cons are: while the rifle is feature-rich, you may need to purchase additional accessories such as a scope, pump, or air tank, and the air reservoir could be more durable. The Benjamin Armada is ideal for experienced shooters and hunters who seek a powerful and customizable air gun for target shooting and medium-sized game hunting. The second product on this list is the Stoeger XM1 Air. The XM1 stands out as an excellent choice, catering to both novice shooters and seasoned marksmen with a plethora of features. This PCP-powered air rifle equipped with an integrated regulator can reach pressures of up to 2,900 psi, ensuring each shot is powerful and consistent. Even in its .22 caliber configuration, it boasts impressive alloy pellet muzzle velocities of up to 1,200 feet per second, making it a versatile option for various shooting pursuits, from target practice to pest control. What truly sets the XM1 apart is its thoughtfully designed firing mechanism, featuring the exclusive Theridion technology, which grants maximum grip and control through its ergonomic bolt lever. Additionally, the 2-stage adjustable trigger allows for precise customization of your shot release, elevating both accuracy and control. Moreover, the automatic Ambidextrous safety ensures safe handling for both left and right-handed shooters. But the Stoeger XM1 doesn't stop at functionality. While it's all about personalization, it comes with 2 recoil pad spacers, 2 interchangeable cheek pieces, and 2 interchangeable pistol grips, offering extensive customization options to suit your style and comfort, regardless of your body size or preference. One of XM1's most innovative features is its versatility in magazine systems. It includes both a 7-shot rotary magazine and a single pellet loader, giving you the choice between a bolt-action repeater or a single-shot air rifle. This flexibility enhances your shooting experience, making the XM1 a standout choice in the world of air rifles. Its pros are: Stoeger backs the XM1 with a 5-year limited warranty. It offers extensive customization options to ensure comfortable and personalized shooting. And the 7-shot rotary magazine and single pellet loader offer flexibility to switch between bolt-action repeater and a single-shot air rifle. However, its cons are: the included scope is of average quality, and you have to buy the needed hand pump for filling the PCP reservoir separately. The Stoeger XM1 offers a versatile, flexible, and accurate shooting experience, making it a strong contender for shooters of all levels who want a dependable and adaptable air rifle. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products in the market. Finally, the top air rifles is the Gamo Swarm Magnum. When you think of a powerhouse air rifle, the Gamo Swarm Magnum stands tall. This high-performance air rifle delivers an impressive punch, firing alloy .22 caliber pellets at a staggering velocity of up to 1,300 feet per second. Such remarkable power equips your shots with the energy needed for precision and deep penetration, making it a top choice for a wide range of shooting activities, from hunting to target shooting. But what truly sets the Swarm Magnum apart is the revolutionary 10X Gen 3i technology at its core. This patent-pending innovation reimagines the reloading process, incorporating a horizontal inertia-fed magazine for lightning-fast, hassle-free reloading. The third-generation 10X takes this system to the next level, offering smoother operation and improved accuracy, setting a new industry standard for rapid reload technology in air rifles. Under the hood, the Gamo Swarm Magnum packs a substantial 33mm cylinder housing the IGT Mach 1 gas piston. This pneumatic marvel propels pellets at incredible speeds, resulting in exceptional precision, virtually no vibrations, and jaw-dropping power. Furthermore, the Whisper Fusion technology keeps noise to an absolute minimum, making your shooting experience stealthy and enjoyable. But innovation doesn't stop there. This air rifle employs a custom action trigger system, allowing you to independently adjust the first and second stages of the trigger, tailoring it precisely to your liking. Plus, it features a patented recoil-reducing rail designed to absorb shockwaves generated by recoil, ensuring the internal components of your scope remain unscathed. Overall, the Gamo Swarm Magnum is the pinnacle of air rifle technology, offering unmatched power, precision, and innovation. It's a top-tier choice for those who demand nothing but the best from their air rifle. Its pros are: it delivers outstanding power with velocities of up to 1,300 feet per second. The innovative inertia-fed magazine integration ensures rapid and hassle-free reloading. It is one of the quietest rifles available, and the custom action trigger system enhances precision and control. However, the magazine retainer could be better. The Gamo Swarm Magnum's high-powered performance, innovative magazine system, whisper-quiet operation, and recoil-reducing technology make it a formidable choice for shooters seeking precision and power. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.